How's it, Godfrey?
Very well. How are you, Mr.
Yes,
Johan?
man, even better. You look like a real farmer with
I
your...
am a farmer.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
it.
I'm a
You have
big farmer.
cattle, you have everything. Let's show them.
Yes,
Yeah.
everything.
Man, people start to wake up.
Yeah.
Godfrey, so yesterday we spoke about your mum,
Yeah.
who's living in
Yes,
Komaslanga
correct.
on a small holding, and she's working hard, and soon she's going to retire.
Yeah.
And sometimes we don't know what our parents is going to do. And I think your mum is one of millions of people who's going to retire, who doesn't have probably enough money to retire, and who's going to face challenges in life forward.
Correct.
If it wasn't for you guys who look after your mothers and fathers and parents. So, Godfrey, I was thinking if we can, if there's any way that we can provide the idea, but not only an idea that can't happen, something, with a recipe that can work,
Yeah.
like someone for your mom,
Yeah.
to start with some chickens and stuff, because yesterday I saw 40% of people in South Africa that's can work doesn't have work, and 40%,
Yeah.
that is terrible, but that is not my info, that's info I got from Google. And then another thing is, I also saw that the minimum wage is between 4,800 and 5,000 rand a month. And I think me and you must find a way, to show people that it's possible to make from a small business idea more than the minimum wage for them. And especially also for the old, younger people also, but especially for the older people. How to start with, for example, with chickens or with plants or with a vegetable garden, and how to make it work. Not to become millionaires, just to live comfortable.
Yes.
And not to live with that stress, because I see a lot of people want to, you can drive a Ferrari and make $1 million or $1 billion, but never, you must start small. There's no one who explained to the people step by step how to start small businesses. And I want me and you to try to do that, even if we can change one person's life. What do you reckon? Look who's saying hello to you here behind you.
Yeah.
He's agreeing.
House.
He's from turning, Godfrey. This cow somewhat in the camera, but now I can't see you. Okay, there we